Welcome to the Digital Artist Illustrator. I'm Workapro Ivan. I'm going to be your tutor on this channel. Today we are going to learn or exploring the interface and panels in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start by creating a new work document. Creating a new work document, you go to File, New. This is pop-up window which containing some features for setting your workspace, such as title or project name. Here is where you type your project name, like mine, my artwork. For example, here customizing, here number of artboard. You can set number of artboard. You want 3 or 4 depending on the project. Here is the size, workspace size or page size. Here you can select pre-built paper sizes or you customize yours here by typing your size or workspace size. Here is for the units, what you want your workspace units, if it is the page size in inches or feet or yard, centimeter, millimeter, centimeter, millimeter, meter, or every size, inches. Everything you set here is from here, units. Then orientation, this is how you set your orientation. Landscape, portrait. Then this is bleed. We shall learn more bleed in future coming video. Let us leave this space. We shall learn bleed and how it works and when do we need bleed. Then here is the color mode. Color mode is very important by when you are going to save your work or you are creating a project, but that project will be displayed on media or on website. You set here color mode is very important. You are exporting your project, but that project will be on social media or just for printing out hard copy. So the screen display is best for RGB. For printing out hard copy, like we are printing flyers, banners, you set CYMK. Yep, I myself going to use for screen display, I set to RGB. Now I'm going to create branding blank document. Now we have brand new document. So on the top we have menu bar. This is menu bar. We have file, edit, object, type, select, effect, view, window, and help. The second line, this one is for, we call it option bar. We're saying these options, we're going to get colors here, swatch colors, stroke colors, setting your options, setting points. As you are seeing, opacity, style, document setup, preference. Then the third one is title bar. Title bar, this is where your document title will be. as you are seeing mine, it is my artwork. Now as you are on the left, we are seeing title bar. Title bar is panel. Title bar is you can move it anywhere you feel like. This is toolbar, we call it toolbar. Title bar is this is toolbar. I think title bar, this one, you can make it back to the original position by dragging it, and it brings that bluish color, and you release. It is near here. So you can customize this by making all tools in a vertical way or in two columns. This column, it runs again this, as you are seeing, or in single column or in two columns, kind of that. This on right, we are seeing panels. You see gradient panel, color, you see layer, you see color guide, you see swatch. These are panels. You see character, paragraph, styling, open type, stroke panel, then this stroke panel, transparency panel, transform panel, align panel, pathfinder panel, appearance, gradient style, set export, artboard. Here, all those are panels. So if you are not seeing some panels here, how to access it? Are you seeing here window? You go to window, you pin your panel, you select the panel which you want. Here, assume, let us see which panel here can we test. Scrolling, we have navigator panel. If I click on your navigator panel, I see this navigator panel. You are seeing it. This is navigator panel. If I click here, this panel, I navigate my artboard. Yeah, that is navigator panel. So this panel, I can place it here or no, on among a panel side, anywhere, like so. You're seeing here now. This is navigator panel. So when I go to window, navigator panel, go to window, you see several panels. So any panel here you want to take, you just select the panel and you view it. You click, you remove panel, attribute. These are all. So everything here you can access it from here. If you are not seeing it here, you access it from here. Nice. Then, as I told you, we are exploring the interface of Illustrator. Yeah. Now this is an artboard. This artboard, if I want to navigate this artboard, I go to navigator panel. I can navigate this artboard, as you're seeing. Or if I don't use navigator panel, I use hand tool. Hand tool also, you can navigate your artboard, as you're seeing When you click, you navigate anywhere. That is how to navigate artboard using the navigator panel or hand. Shortcut is H. Just press H, then you see, then you get this hand kind format. Then after that, let us see how to customize an artboard. Assuming you have created your artboard, but you have seen that your artboard you need customization, like setting the artboard size, shrinking your artboard, reducing the size of your artboard. How do you do that? You are seeing here, this is artboard. You click there, your artboard will be like this. It will show you the selection. Then here you are going on the option button, on the option tab bar or option tab on option bar. You are seeing here option bar. Here is where you see dimension is. Here is where you see I can change this artboard by clicking here, portrait, landscape. On option bar, I'm seeing here I can set dimension. Here is where I set dimension. You set dimension. This is artboard, number of artboard 1 artboard. So I can reduce here by clicking here. You reduce this artboard any way you want. So my artboard, it is in feet. It is in feet. You select. Assuming I want to change from feet to inches, how can I do that? To do that, you go to look where document setup. You go to file, document setup. You can press Alt Ctrl P to access it. Click on document setup. If I find that my artboard or my workspace, it is in the wrong dimension as I desired, so you click on this is unit, then you said let me change it to centimeters. You see, when I change to centimeters and I say okay, my document setup will change to centimeters. Here you are seeing here. Now you can set here, you can change your workspace into any dimension. Let me say 40 centimeter. Y, that is vertical. Let me say this is Y. Let me control Z. This is the we have width. This is Y axis. We have width and height. Here is where you go. Width. Let me say 40. Width. Height. Let me say 60. These are centimeters. Then I press enter. Are you seeing? Then zoom back, zoom to this is. Then when I click on the artboard, you see the dimension. I've set to 40 centimeter by 60 centimeter. Now if I want to change it to landscape, you are seeing here, you have to access this option. You have to click on artboard. Artboard is where you see the option is on option bar. On option bar to change the artboard, to add the artboard to landscape. like so. Then let us learn here how to add another artboard. To add another artboard, from here I just click on artboard, then I go here where I see another artboard. It comes with the same dimension of that artboard. Yes. So furthermore, we are going to learn in the next video how to use tools in this Illustrator. So please subscribe on the Digital Artist Illustrator to learn more videos like this. Have a nice time. Bye bye.